Boom! Hey everyone, this is Anthony, the Dad Outnumbered. I want to do something a little bit different today. The other day I posted a video of the 2fiddy and the DJI Action 2 camera, and my buddy Lee from Adventure FPV said, hey, send me that raw footage. I want to put together a sick edit. And I said, hey, he edits videos for a living. I'm sure he can do better than me. So I sent him the video and he sent me back a fire video back, color graded, speed ramped, and added a bunch of really cool stuff. So I wanted to share that today. So take a look. Let me know your thoughts.
Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Hey, I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Yeah, all I know is get paper. All I do is shit major. Bought a condo on the top floor and the building's a skyscraper. Feeling like I'm Kobe, LeBron for the Lakers. Feeling like I'm Idris, Paul Walker, Taker. New Rollie, no diamonds in it. New Porsche, all dimes in it. I'm infatuated with fine women. Corona extra with the lime in it. Just a change to Henny. Used to be a penny pincher. Now I'm in plenty business. Grind hard, nigga, on guard.
Grind hard, nigga, on guard.
Yeah. We grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Hey. I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. I lean with it, I rock with it. Locks under my socks fitted. Tahoe with the black tint. Houston girl, heavy accent, but my whole swag is magic. High five, fantastic. Make the money stretch like elastic. Making moves that you couldn't imagine. Eating, still watching my calories. Just to pull in that big boy salary. It's just the way that it has to be. I'm a bad boy, Mike Lowry. While I'm sipping this Henny, and all of my niggas is with me. Yeah, grind hard, nigga, on guard.
Grind hard, nigga, on guard.
Yeah. Grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Hey. I grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible.
I am blown away by his editing skills. I can't believe he took my raw footage and made it look better than I could have before, but he does it for a living, so I can take some cues from him. I want to link his information down below for you to look at him. He's got a lot of tutorials. He's got a great website with a lot of good information to help pilots get better footage and have a better experience in flying and put out a better polished quality product. So in the description below, I'll put his website as well as his YouTube link. And I thank you for taking the time to look at this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let's see how Lee did. Rate his editing skills. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks. Fly safe. Please like and subscribe.